Our resource speaker ranked third in the 1987 bar examinations and joined the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, as a bank attorney in 1994. Throughout his tenure, he advanced to General Counsel in 2013, Assistant Governor in 2016, and Senior Assistant Governor in 2019. To give us a lecture, an overview of commercial law, let us all welcome Honorable Elmer O. Capuli, Senior Assistant Governor and General Counsel, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Hi, thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Okay, I'm very honored to be your speaker, especially on the last day. And when I was entering the hall, I told myself, mukhang mali yata yung napasukan ko na hall. Because as if there's an international seminar or convention. Because as you are, well, yeah. The BSP actually operates the PICC. So whenever we go here to attend international conventions, this is a familiar sight, but I'm quite impressed with the Public Attorney's Office. No? You're well dressed. The girls are very pretty and the gentlemen are very handsome, especially in their suit. Diba? Okay, so, you know, Chief Presi and I go a long way. She and I are classmates, no, in law school, the Ateneo. And yeah, I'm very happy that she invited me. Now, my topic is actually, it's an update on banking laws. But I think whenever you hear banking laws, ang papasok sa isip nyo, isa sa pinakamahirap na intindihin na subject, di ba? You talk about macroprudential, you talk about DOSRI, you talk about insolvency, etc. But for today, actually, we are very fortunate that, okay, so, yeah, okay. The BSP is actually what we call a macroprudential regulator. When I say that, medyo technical, it means that our objective is to ensure that our banking system is safe.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause to our resource person. An overview of commercial law, the Honorable Elmer O. Capule, Senior Assistant Governor and General Counsel, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
The Public Attorney's Office presents this Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation to our speaker, in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the Public Attorney's Office.